Hey, art students. I hope you guys are doing well. I want to wish you a happy Monday. I also want to just say a few things about today and a few announcements about this week. First thing, which I was just made aware of by our principal, is that May 1st through May 4th, there's no instruction. And I believe that came from the governor. I think maybe they're working on some planning. I don't really know, but that's all I know right now. May 1st through May 4th, there is no instruction. So don't plan on having things to do from me and your other teachers, although this is new news. So maybe they will figure this one out a little bit after I have. We'll see. But that's what I know. So anticipate that. Another thing, today is Monday, so that means it's an Art of Play Monday. Tuesday is when you upload the evidence from your Art of Play at some point during the day on Tuesday. So today you're going to look through maybe the Art of Play document that I've attached here. Perhaps you're going to refresh yourself on some of the ideas and options. And maybe you've already got a plan. Maybe you've got something cooking that you're going to dive into this week. But maybe you're stumped, so I always have that resource for you in our Google Docs here. So pick what you want to do. And then in addition to that, please fill out the attendance form for today. I want to see who's engaging, who is showing up. So that's really important. And then, yeah, get to work with your Art of Play activity. I hope it's fun and it gets you just being creative, problem solving, all that good stuff. So that is your work for today. Tomorrow, like I said, anticipate another Google form being shared with you where you can upload your evidence of your activity. Again, the more information you can share in that evidence with me, the easier it is for me to give you the points that you deserve. I'm going to remind you that if you do an Art of Play activity and you share like one final photo of what you've done, that can be really hard for me to understand what process you took in the activity. For instance, if you show me a finished painting, that's awesome, but I don't know if you painted it. I don't know if that's something you made 5 years ago, right? So show me enough information so I can see the process, beginning, middle, and end, just so I am brought along with you in this activity, okay? So include me in the process. Upload multiple pictures or a video that shows the activity being done by you. As always, invite family to participate with you. I think that that is awesome. I really love seeing examples of you guys working together with your siblings or parents. I think that's really neat, or guardians, whoever it may be. And again, I hope you guys are all doing well. You're happy and healthy. If you need anything, anything, please email me. And if you want to schedule a Google Hangout, even if it's just to say hi, I am here and I would love to see you. So feel free to reach out to me for whatever you need. And I hope you guys are doing great. And I really, really miss you. Have an awesome day today. I'll see you guys later.